Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your ULEFONE Armor X5, I'm going to show you how we can get it in a really easy way. So for the first, I'm going to delete this launcher. And we are back with the stock launcher. So I'm going to delete also the second application, the control center, and right now we can start. So let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. We have to get the application from the Lutin developer, this one. There's a launcher iOS 13, click, tap on the install. When you scroll down, you will also find the control center from iOS 14. Take it also, and right now we have to wait until it's finished. And when you tap on the home screen, you can select the iOS launcher 13, right? So click, select always. Click on the we got it on the notification, and right now we got our iOS launcher. Right here we had to grant the permissions, so click, tap on the permissions and select all of these launchers, switchers. Then tap on the home button, click OK, and right now that is going to download the data. Click edit. You can add here the widgets like the calendar, batteries or the clock. And when you scroll down right here, you will find it. There's the temperature, and we have to also activate the control center from the iPhone. Click on the switcher, home button, and then click on it one more time, slide 2 times, enter right here. Okay, we have to turn off this ad. Click on the home button, and right now we can open it from the right edge of our smartphone. Click OK, use the switcher one more time, home button, open it, and as you can see, the control center is also working. So I hope that helped you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.